I am here to discuss about what are the courses a student can pursue after his completion of 12th with physics, chemistry, biology, that is PCB. Being a biology student, you will be having a lot of career opportunities. You must be aware of what are the courses available and what are the courses deals with, so that you can choose a better course and it leads to a better career. So I am here to discuss about what are the sectors and what are the courses available. First, there are several sectors like medicine, paramedical, pharmacist, veterinary, and several other BSc courses. You can also enter the engineering and you can also pursue some arts courses. So based on your interest, you can choose what the course you needed. So now let's begin with the medical courses. The major medical courses are MBBS and BDS. MBBS, it is the Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. BDS, it deals with Bachelor of Dental Surgery. So in order to enter the MBBS or BDS, we must clear some entrance examination. There are several entrance examinations like AIMS, NEET and JIPMER. There are also several other medical courses like BAMS, that is Bachelor of Ayurvedic and Medical Science. Next is the BHMS, that is Bachelor of Homeopathy, Medicine and Surgery. Then is the BUMS, that is Bachelor of Unani, Medicine and Surgery. And BNYS, that is Bachelor of Naturopathic and Yogic Science. Now let's move to the paramedical courses. There are several paramedical courses. Let's discuss about few major courses. First is the BPT, that is Bachelor of Physiotherapist. It has a huge demand in the upcoming generations. Next is we have courses like BSc Nursing, BSc Optometry, BSc in Operational Theatre Technicians, BSc in Anesthetic Technology, and Biotech, BTech Biomedical, and we also have Bachelor of Occupational Therapy. So these are the major paramedical courses which are of huge demand in the upcoming generations. Next is the BTech Biomedical, and finally the Bachelor of Occupational Therapy. These are the few courses I have listed up below the paramedical sectors. So next you can also move to the veterinary science, that is the BVSC, Bachelor of Veterinary Science, where it deals with the animals. So if you have interest in animals, you can choose the course. So next let's move to the pharmacist. Pharmacist courses, there are major courses are the B.Pharm, D.Pharm, and then finally the BSc Clinical Science. So B.Pharm, it is the Bachelor of Pharmacy, and D.Pharm, which is a Diploma in Pharmacy. These are the two different courses in pharmacy, and finally the BSc Clinical Science. So now these are the pharmacist courses. Next we'll move to the BSc courses. BSc, in entering into the BSc, we are having more than 100 plus courses. So we have to know which course is the better options and which will be leads to a better future. So choosing the best BSc courses also plays a vital role. Let me list out few of the courses which are having a huge scope. First, let's begin with the agriculture. BSc Agriculture. BSc Agriculture is having a huge demand. It will have a huge demand in the upcoming generation for sure, because the human population is increasing rapidly and we have to increase the food production in the same place. So, choosing a BSc Agri program or BSc Horticulture. BSc Horticulture is not much differ. It's almost same as the BSc Agri program, and only few courses will differ in those. So, choosing these courses will help you to have a brighter future. There are also, you can choose some other BSc courses like botany, zoology, biology, and home science, life sciences, and also like psychology. Psychology, the modern world, psychology is the best course I can tell, because people are undergoing lots of stress in day-to-day life. So knowing about psychology will help you to have a better future. So next we also have basic courses like related to food and nutrition, microbiology, biochemistry, so and so. Being a biology student, it's not only necessary to enter into the biology related sectors, you have also an opportunity to enter the engineering sectors and arts based on your interest. So there are several engineering courses like BTech Mechanical Engineering, BTech in Aerospace Engineering, BTech in Civil Engineering, BTech in Computer Science Engineering, and now the most emerging one is the BTech in Agriculture Engineering. It is the most emerging sector where it deals with the agricultural machineries. So it will have a bright future in the upcoming generation. So next let's move to the law. If you are interested in law, you can do some BA/BL program. It is a 5 years integrated program. And finally, let's move to the arts profession. In arts, we have programs related to language, that is BA English, BA Tamil, and we have programs related to sociology. So we also, if you have some business ideas, you can do some programs like BCom, BBA, programs like CA, that is Chartered Accountant. So these are the major courses. I have listed only a few courses, and there are a lot more courses which you can browse through your internet. So I hope it will be helpful for you. Do like and share the video to the maximum. Subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for further updates. For your kind information, if you have any queries or any topics to be covered, kindly mention it in the comment section.